Hi guys! So here's another kind of winter series video which I used to name kind of a series I'll do around the Christmas time, but this is just like, it was supposed to be a Christmas Eve video, but I mean here in the UK right now it's gone past Christmas Eve. I guess in some countries it still is, so I don't know, this is either a really late or a very early Christmas Day video. However, let's jump right into it. As you can tell, today we're making the Scrunch tree, and like usual we're just using a square piece of origami paper, and we're going to start on the blank side first. And by the way, you can use whatever color you want. I just use green because it's typical color of a tree but use whatever you want. So we're gonna first fold this in half and fold this down as neat as possible, and then we're going to open it up like that, and then we're going to fold both sides into the center crease which we just created, trying to get this perfect. And like so, just folding them both to the center. Like that. And then once that's folded to center, we're just going to fold the top flap down, like so. Oops. Like that, and then we're going to just like open this up and tuck this inside. Yep. And then just kind of turning it the right side up, we're going to fold the whole model in half, which is why we wanted it to fold it as neatly as possible so it folds in half properly and like doesn't start overlapping and do weird stuff. So then next, afterwards, this is the really random part. Like, you're not gonna have the perfect model each time you do this, and however you do it, it'll probably turn out great anyway. So what you're just going to do is you're just going to do mountain and oh, what's the other fold? Oh gosh, but you're just gonna fold up and down like so. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you want to go like maybe in kind of random directions, so it's not all like perfectly folded down as a straight line, to just get that effect of a scrunch tree. I think I folded it way too out of shape, but you guys do however you want to fold it, so there is no perfect way of doing this. And yeah, after that, try and flatten it out a bit so it's not like a spring kind of looking thing, and simply you're just gonna open this up, and yeah, there you have it. You have your scrunch tree. So actually should stand up. It looks kind of weird in this direction, it just looks like a leaf more than anything else. But yeah, this is the scrunch tree, and as usual I've made like a test model. Not sure what to call this color, like a browny yellowy, I don't know, kind of color. But yeah, you can make whatever color you want. So this is a very quick kind of, I don't even know if this is Christmassy, this is kind of, yeah, something I'll make and kind of like decorate around the house. You could do add like maybe glitter on it, you know, do whatever you want. But thanks for watching guys, and I'll probably post another video later on, but I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas, and thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more awesome content, and yeah, bye.